Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the holy grail of GM products, or at least that's what it seems like. 1970 Chevelle big block baby. Beautiful car, orange and white interior. Paint on this is really strong. She is a driver, so she's got some things here and there, but overall very, very solid. So is the chrome, and so are all the wheels. Really pretty car. It definitely stands out. I love that the sun's just like hitting us right now. Let's go ahead and open the door here. This door does shut, by the way. We had a little pop there when I got out earlier. But opens up, closes really easy. Man, pretty car. And she's fast. So let's fire her up. Let's hit the road. Power steering feels really good. Oh yeah, this thing. So I'm not going crazy because of the school, but holy crap, I'm gonna slow down. That thing's got some great power. We'll do a launch on a second to see how she does. Sounds amazing too. Oh yeah. Alright, well, you know what? Before we get in trouble, I'm gonna whip a U-turn. We'll get her up on the lift and take a peek at the undercarriage.